Hello everybody, this is Yousef and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to have another Persian dish, Estanboli Polo. Estanboli Polo basically is a rice and tomato, but where the name comes from, I'm not sure because Istanbul is in Turkey, maybe originated from there, or we have in Iran, we have a potato that they call Estamboli potato, which is just like it's a finger potato, very thin potato, and that's what they usually use to make that food with. But anyway, this food is almost everywhere in Iran served, especially any household, they're gonna have it 1 or 2 a month. The reason is because it's very simple and there's not too many ingredients involved. If you have rice and tomato and potato, that you can make that. So let's go over the ingredients and start making it. Okay, this food is actually very vegan, but also could be added the meat. So I'm just going to go over that when is the time if you wanted to add the meat. What I'm making is good for 3 to 4 people. I have 2 cups of rice, which I already washed that. When you wash the rice, make sure you wash it 4 or 5 times till the waters get clear, because we don't need any extra starch in the rice. We are going to have 2 potato, 1 onion, 5 tomato, some cooking oil, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon hot pepper or chili pepper, 1.5 tablespoon of tomato paste, and a little bit of the liquid saffron for just the color and the taste. So it's not something that you have to have it. If you have it, so it's a extra bonus and it's a plus. As I said, this food could be 100% vegan, or you can add the meat, either chicken or beef or a lamb. Let's go and start making it by cutting the onion with the small pieces, and then we're going to saute them. All right, our onion is cut and is the way that we want it to be. Now we have to prepare this tomato. I rather to get the skin off. For doing that, I have a small pot that I'm going to put some water and heat this a little bit. Then we can easily peel this off and puree this. Let's go and do that. The best way to get the skin off is just make a little bit cut here, just like a plus, really a small one in all of them. And we add the water and start heating it. I already have the hot water, so it makes it faster for us. Okay, after a few minutes it start boiling, we turn this around. Maybe it takes about 3-4 minutes. Then it's very easy to peel this off. All right, meanwhile, we go over this pot that we're gonna make our food. The whole thing is gonna be in this little pot. Add oil, in oil of your choice, whatever you wanted, cooking oil. I'm using the olive oil because that's the only oil I have at home right now, so which is pretty good. And I'm gonna add the onion and start sauteing it. So start from here. Okay, while these are sauteing away, we are going to go back to peel our potato and dice them and make it ready also. All right, these potatoes we are going to make it small size, cubic size, like this. Just want to show you what size should be. These are the size. If you want to make the food with the meat has to be this size also. Either is a chicken or a lamb or a beef, make it this size like a gourmet. Then I show you or tell you when is the time to add, in case if you want to add the meat to your food. All right, these are going very well. As soon as it turns the color towards the brownish, we add the spices. Here is our tomato is boiling. Just turn around for another minute or half a minute, and then turn off the heat and take it to put the cold water, then start peeling off the skin. All right, we just drain this and put some cold water. All right, see the peel off itself, so you don't have to do nothing. Okay, we're gonna puree this, but the first we have to take care of this. This is a time that we have to add the potato and the spices. Let's do that. Turmeric. All right, and black pepper, red pepper. We keep the salt for now, and then this is the time to add our potato. Okay. Okay, we do this for a couple minutes, and if you want to add the meat, after a couple minutes is the time for adding your meats in here. But since we don't use any meats, and we're gonna have it for a couple minutes, and then we add tomato paste. All right, it's been a couple minutes that we just saute this potato. Now it's the time for tomato paste. We put this also here and start sauteing this a little bit to develop the color, and it releases its color by heating it. And also it's going to be, taste is going to be much better because the roundness is going to go away, and it's just like it being a cooked tomato paste. Okay, while we're doing this, we go over our tomato and puree those, and we come back and add it to this one. All right, this is all ready. Okay. Now we're going to add our salt, then our rice. Okay, here is the time also, because you know the water or juice is not enough. We add about a cup and a half water, and time for a saffron for a color and a taste. So this is what we do. Just let it be cooking in a almost high heat, about maybe 10-15 minutes, and then we come back, take a look at it, and if we needed more water we add. Otherwise we're just gonna turn this around and reduce the heat and let it cook for another 10-15 minutes. Then we put a little bit of the maybe a kitchen cloth or something. Then another 10-15 minutes, the food is gonna be ready. So easy. See you then. All right, as you see, the water is gone, absorbed. So you just turn around this little bit, and this is the time if you like to add a little bit butter for the taste, and then reduce the heat and just put the kitchen cloth on the top and let it be there for another 15-20 minutes. So I guess I like to put a little bit of the butter here, so it's going to be very tasty. And then either kitchen cloth, or even you can use, if you don't have it, a kitchen towel. Go like this, okay, and put it right here. Then put the top and reduce the heat. Here you go. But still, if you want to be vegan, you don't have to add the butter. All right, so we wait another 15-20 minutes and we go over that and take a look at it. If it's done, then we can serve it. Okay guys, it was about almost 20 minutes after we put the paper towel on the top of the pot and the food gets ready. This is the result, and we usually eat this food with one of these pickled, either onion, garlic or vegetable pickle, or your choice of salad. And the most important part is the yogurt. So it depends on which one you like. You can have that with food, and either way, even you don't choose any of those, still it's going to be delicious and wonderful food. I made all of this and I showed that, I guess, in one of the video. This is a garlic. It's been about it's 2 or 3 years old. This one is an onion, pearl onion they call that. And this is a salad shirazi. And also I have in a video how to make that. You can add the olive oil, salt, pepper on top of it, and lemon or lime. And this is a Greek style yogurt. All of this goes with this food very well. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my show, and I really appreciate your support. Till next time with a new Persian dish. Bye.